The Strawberry Creek watershed is located on the west side of the campus of the University of California, Berkeley. The watershed has a total drainage area of approximately 1,200 acres, with 40% being urbanized, and provides important habitats for both plants and wildlife throughout the largely urban San Francisco metropolitan area. Strawberry Creek consists of two main forks, the North Fork and the South Fork. The south drains an area that's largely undeveloped in the hills, very steep terrain through a botanical garden and fire trail. The North Fork drains more of an urbanized region of North Berkeley. Once these two forks meet at the confluence of the main stem of Strawberry Creek, they get culverted under the city of Berkeley and outlet into the San Francisco Bay. Strawberry Creek supports the fisheries of San Francisco Bay, and continued pollution prevention and restoration in the watershed contribute to the health of the fisheries. Historically, the watershed has provided habitat for seasonal salmon runs and other aquatic organisms. Urban development in the watershed, particularly the diversion of creek water for domestic use, is believed to have exterminated the fisheries by the end of the 19th century. Local hydrology has been greatly altered by watershed urbanization, resulting in impervious surfaces on the UC Berkeley campus and City of Berkeley's Northside community. The consequences of urbanization include increased water pollution, decreased groundwater recharge, and flash flows characterized by higher, faster peak flows. Urban creeks provide stormwater drainage and serve as a flood control system to prevent damage to the urban environment. Historically, Strawberry Creek provided sanitary sewer discharge, leading to habitat loss, erosion, and water pollution. By 1987, water quality and ecosystems were highly degraded, and the creek was considered a public health risk due to chronic sewage pollution. In response, in 1987, the Strawberry Creek Management Plan was implemented. Implementation significantly improved water quality and reintroduced locally native fish to the creek in 1989, the first resident fish population in about 100 years. More recently, in 2014, and funded by the Green Initiative, the Strawberry Creek Ecological Stabilization Project has helped Strawberry Creek regain ecological stability by applying basic low-impact development strategies and habitat restoration measures. Phase 1 of this project was achieved through the development of a comprehensive restoration design for the confluence of the North and South Forks of Strawberry Creek by removing two failed check dams and installing a log weir and two step pools. Phase 2 of this project has benefited the campus by diverting a portion of stormwater from Strawberry Creek, thereby reducing erosion and infrastructure damage on campus. The Strawberry Creek watershed no longer allows sewage in the creek. However, it is still used to mitigate stormwater flows. Results from baseline surveys of macroinvertebrates after the initial phases of implementation indicated that water quality had improved enough to attempt fish restocking. This restoration project has addressed the loss of biodiversity in urban and urban wildland interference habitats that have historically become overwhelmed by non-native invasive plant and tree species. It remains vital to get the rainwater into the watershed, into the ground to be used by the plants for the benefit of the ecosystems and humans as well. The goal of this project has been successful in demonstrating how basic low-impact development strategies can benefit natural ecosystems and humans alike.